Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit orange and teal filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the contrast to +19. Highlights to -17. Shadows to +24. Whites to -31. Blacks to +21. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Vibrance to +31. Saturation to -29. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Saturation to +58. Go to orange. Saturation to +24. Luminance to +100. Go to cyan. Saturation to +47. Go to blue. Saturation to +44. Done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +38. Vignette to -7. Go to detail. Sharpening to 66. Masking to 29. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.